Hey, hi all. Welcome to BRR Knowledge Center. And in this session, we'll see like how to set up Terraform on Ubuntu server. So, as you know, like Terraform is a tool for building and changing and versioning infrastructure safely. So it enables application software, best practices to infrastructure, and also it compatible with many clouds and services, and you can easily create whatever services on cloud using Terraform. It is an automating tool which across people are using as part of DevOps. So now before you create anything on any cloud, like let's try to set up this first into our system so that you will create the Terraforms, right? You just run through a Terraforms, right? So if you want to run through Terraform tool by automate the creation of instances or any services or any functions on cloud, you need to make sure that the Terraform has to be set up in your local first. Okay, so that's the reason I think we are now looking at this kind of a Terraform, how you are going to create it first, and then once it is created fine, right? Then you start writing your Terraform script and run through CLI of AWS. Okay, so now I'm just going back and sharing my screen here, wherein I'm just following something, a browser. I'm just opening a browser here. Like I want to, follow the commands from here to set up the install the Terraform on Ubuntu server. So I want to set up here in the Linux system. So this is something Ubuntu Divine, which I need to, follow these commands under this particular tab. By the way, this is Terraform is basically comes from Hashi Corporation, which is officially maintains and signs packages for the following Linux distributions. So again, this is open source, you know, uh, the software where people can install this and use this as part of uh, automate the process. Okay, so this Hashi Corporation includes as an American software company with a premium business model based on based in San Francisco. So this provides tools, products that enables developers, operators, and security professionals to provision, right, secure, run, and connect to cloud computing infrastructure. So I think this product enables collaboration and automation, this infrastructure of IT. Okay. So they enable users to define infrastructure as a code from development and test and security through the deployment logic and infrastructure configurations for operations. Okay, so this Terraform basically, belongs to HashiCorp product. This HashiCorp Terraform is an infrastructure as a core tool that lets you define both cloud and on-premise resources in human readable configuration files, so that you can reuse that and you can share it and you can create it in fraction of seconds. So you can use them as a consistent workflow to provision, right, and manage all of your infrastructure throughout its life cycle. Okay, so now we'll see like how to set up this, right? So that's how I think the topic is. First, what you have to do is you need to install this, right? Make sure that these commands are up to date, like update and install, right? GNU package, this is something we are talking about here. That means if you want to install, right, uh, anything on this Ubuntu server. Okay, so if you want to install anything on Ubuntu server, right, make sure that the GPG key has to be attached. This GPG or GNU Privacy Guard is a free open source encryption and signing tool for Linux, Windows, Mac OS, and Android operating systems. Right, it's a part of OpenPGP and standard and uses public key cryptography to encrypt files and verify messages and authenticate the data. Okay, so that's the reason I think we have to, make sure that particular command and the softwares should be up to date. So firstly, you need to copy this command and go to, the Ubuntu server here, wherever you are running your Ubuntu server. So and paste it and just try to run this. So it is just downloading the stuff of, Terraform, right, related commands in this software properties community, and install all this stuff. Okay, so that's how it is, ensuring system is up to date and you have installed, GNU package, software properties common, the curl package is up to date. So after that, I think you need to, install the Hashi Corporation GPG key, right? For that, I'm going to use this particular command, right? So once it is done, right? So what I have to do is I'm going back to, the next command here. Okay. So like this is the command next one. I'm just copying this, right? And I'm going to, run this on this server. It is, yeah, it is properly installed it here. So wherein it is just connecting to Hashi Corporation and get the request sent awaiting response 200. Now it's fine. This is something which is displaying it here, written to standard output. Okay. So now after that, let me go back to the site here. The next thing is you need to get the GPG command will report the key fingerprints. Okay. So what you have to do is you need to copy this GPG command and try to run this on again this server. Okay. So oops, there is that command I'm trying to copy. Yeah. So once you run this, you'll see that public key, RSA key, right? And UID and sub key here in the RSA format again, which will tell you the expiry date of the connectivity to between your Hashi Corporation and this Ubuntu server. So this has to be run this command to get the finger print of your Ubuntu server, right? Using a GPG command. Okay. So again, as I said, like GPG is nothing but a GNU privacy guard, right? So the open source encryption signing tool for this Ubuntu server. So which will basically uses public cryptography to encrypt the files. Okay. So now going back to the site, now what is the next command we have to use as part of this Terraform? Now come here and you just add the this particular command to your Ubuntu. Just copy this. What it is doing is it is just adding the official Hashi Corporation repository to your system, and the command finds the distribution release code name for your current system. Okay, so let me copy this and going back to the Terraform and paste this. Let me clear this without confusion. Let me copy. Now it is now added the repository to the system after running this command. Okay. And what is the next command here as part of this? You just update this, uh, package. So before you install Terraform. So let me go back and enter. It is just updating your packages, right? And now try to, install Terraform. This is what the next command you finally have to use it, right? This has to be get, and when you run this, you will get installed this Terraform. Okay, it seems already installed the 1.9.2. Let me try now. Terraform version. No, it's not Terraform version. Oops, what happened? Okay. Hmm. Terraform is installed. Let me try just Terraform. No, Terraform. Which Terraform? What happened? It's not displaying it here. So after you run the above command like sudo apt update and sudo apt install Terraform. So now you will get installed this where you can see the all Terraform commands this way. Also, you can see the Terraform version, which is 1.9.2 on this particular Ubuntu image. Okay, this is how you are going to install the Terraform. Okay, so using the Ubuntu CLI. So once you install this Terraform, and you can see that commands wherein you're going to use it to format or console or get graph import login logout etc. So once you write a Terraform script here to create anything or to access anything on cloud, then you just run through Terraform commands like Terraform init and Terraform, plan and Terraform apply. So once you run through Terraform apply, it will just start executing your Terraform script on cloud. Okay. I hope you understood like how you're going to install Terraform on Ubuntu server. Okay. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.